Welcome to Bestuseful Tips. In this video, I will show you how to turn off or power off your Google Pixel 10, 10 Pro, 10 Pro XL device. In this video, I will show you 4 different methods to power off or switch off your Pixel 10 series or any other Pixel device running the Android 16 version. First method is you can use the power button and volume up button. Long press both button until you can see the power menu. So long press the power button and volume up at the same time, and you can see the power menu on your device. Tap on the power up to power up your Google Pixel 10 series. Second method, you can use the quick setting tiles. Swipe down the notification panel from the top. At the bottom right corner, you can see the power button. Tap on it. Now you can see the power menu again. Tap on a power up to power up your Pixel 10 series. Third method is the Google Assistant. You can use the Google Assistant or Gemini to power off your Pixel 10 series. Just launch the Gemini and say turn off the phone or power off the phone, and you can see the power menu. So let's see how it works. Hey Google, hey Google, turn off the phone.
Opening power options.
So now you can see the power menu. Just tap on the power off to turn off your device. And the last method is you can use the side button or power button in a Pixel device. Just long press the power button on your Pixel 10. By default, you can see launch the Gemini on your device. So you need to change this power button settings on your Pixel device. To change power button setting, open the app drawer, tap the settings app. Now scroll down and you can find the option system. Tap on it. Now tap on a gesture. Here you can find press and hold power button option at the end. Tap on it. Now by default set the digital assistant. So select the power menu on your device. Now again long press the power button on your Pixel 10 series and you can see the power menu. Tap on the power off to shut down or switch off your Google Pixel 10 series. So this is the all four method you can use to turn off your Google Pixel 10 series. To turn on or power on your Pixel device, long press the side button again until you can see the screen turn on or a Google logo on your screen. Just long press the power button on your Pixel device and you can see turn on your Google Pixel 10 phone. That's it. If you like it, share it. Also hype it if you like this video. Thanks. Thanks for watching this.